Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have a comprehensive review and overview of picking an analysis lock. So, the key profile is analysis, and I don't have any keys available at the moment. So, these are locks from my training on emergency picking. Let's say, whatever I come across currently, I'm picking it and sharing just for the experience. For instance, well, you never know. It might come in handy for someone out there, potentially in need of assistance or help. So, what exactly should we specifically pay attention to in this lock? We need to pay attention to the key profile. Regrettably, there isn't a key available for this lock. However, upon examining the keyhole, it becomes evident that a thin pick is necessary. This tool will be used to carefully press down the pins inside the lock mechanism, allowing it to open. The process requires precision and a steady hand to ensure each pin is correctly aligned, which is crucial for successfully unlocking it. I haven't picked the lock yet, so I don't know how many pins there are, because it can't be disassembled from the back, so to speak. I can't take it apart for now. This lock is quite complex and intricate, making it difficult to determine the exact number of pins without further examination. Additionally, the design prevents any disassembly from the rear, which complicates the process. So with the help of the tension wrench 3, 3, 4. This essentially means that the intricate design and structure of the key profile is specifically crafted in such a way that it does not allow for easy or simple manipulation, even when using a tool as small and thin as a pick. So essentially, in order to achieve this, we're going to try using a different pick. We found an even thinner one indeed. And it's been slightly sharpened specifically for thin profiles. I'll try to set it up in a manner that is significantly more convenient and efficient and allows for better visibility and usability, so it's easier to see and work with. This will be better. Even with a thin pick, it's quite tricky to work in this cylinder because it's bent like this, and manipulating the pick in this lock is very uncomfortable. There are 5 pins. When you are trying to use the pick in this particular lock, it becomes exceedingly difficult and uncomfortable to handle. The design of the lock seems to be intentionally complex, making the process of manipulating the pick not only challenging, but also quite frustrating. This situation is further exacerbated by the awkward angles and the lack of space, which contribute to the overall discomfort experienced during the manipulation. 5 pins. So, perhaps just a little bit more. Let's move on. So it turns out you need to press each pin with a little twist, like when you write a comma. I can't reach the last one. It's really awkward to press the last pin at all. Let's switch our guitar picks again and try using this specific pick with a faster technique. This will help us see how the speed and accuracy of our playing might improve. By experimenting with different picks and techniques, we can better understand their influence on our playing style and sound quality. So it will be easy for her to press the pin in a narrow keyway. And we can try to open this lock using a special tool. With this pick, carefully and gently. As you can clearly observe, the lock has been successfully picked. This demonstrates the effectiveness of the technique used. Now let's attempt the process once more, employing a similar method to ensure consistency and reliability in our approach. By doing so, we can verify the results and confirm the efficiency of this lock-picking strategy. It's important to follow each step carefully to achieve the desired outcome. The keyway is quite awkward to handle because of its unique and challenging design. It requires careful attention and precision, making it somewhat difficult to work with effectively. As you can see, we've picked the lock once more. Again. So, here's the thing. It's tricky. The task is quite challenging. The bottom part of the cylinder is not only slanted, but also difficult to handle. Moreover, it is really awkward and cumbersome to maneuver this particular pick. So the hook itself. Alright, we have that. Let me introduce, here's the hook. When you insert it, you have to kind of make a twist like a comma. That is, I will not open this lock with a hook now. To save time, I can definitely pick the lock with the hook, which is a tool specifically designed for this purpose. But the most important thing to remember is that there are certain picks, such as the tension wrench and the rake, that need to be used in combination with other picks to effectively unlock the mechanism. And in each video, I show a variety of different picks that you can use to pick locks and demonstrate which ones are better, and so on. You can analyze and test all the picks you have on the locks you own in detail. With that, I'm wrapping up my comprehensive video. If the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave your questions in the comments. All the best.